Did you know that the Metaverse is currently worth $47 billion and is estimated to reach $800 billion by 2024? Well, if you're thinking of a game-changing strategy for your business, switching to virtual platforms could be just what you need. That's where e-commerce and classical retail outlets will merge to become the next generation of business. Nevertheless, how to set up your business in the Metaverse? Let us find it out. Welcome to Wealthy Mindset, where we explore unique and breathtaking angles from the world of money, economics, personal finance, and investing. But before we dive into it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon right there so you never miss any of our subsequent videos. Metaverse is progressively making its way to set up its place in everyone's life, and if Metaverse provides something that people desire, it's reasonable to suppose that many businesses are curious about what the Metaverse is and if they should join virtual reality or not. Simply deciding where to begin might be difficult for companies considering how to traverse this new terrain. Understanding the Metaverse isn't nearly as difficult as some believe. The Metaverse refers to any internet-based online experience that is durable, realistic, three-dimensional, and virtual. Metaverse interactions allow us to play, explore, communicate, and purchase, and the items we purchase can be realistic or virtual, which adds to the excitement. For instance, you may make a lot of money by selling digital products in the form of cryptocurrency, and the commercial and technological specifications differ significantly because each company that produces a virtual world has its own accessibility, affiliation, and commercialization rights. The term metaverse applies to the notion of these different realities and activities, as well as the recognition that we are approaching a much more profound, pervasive universe than it has ever been. The Metaverse's virtual experience, on the other hand, isn't simply for consumer-facing organizations. There are several commercial uses, ranging from instructing future surgeons to providing product demonstrations to commercial associates. For those businesses still on the fence, it's essential for each organization to discover its niche and weigh the risk-to-reward ratio. To do so, it's necessary to understand what's feasible. The online revolution in particular necessitates inquisitiveness, so businesses must always be in some kind of a test-and-learn mindset. The Metaverse might be the next evolution of how humans connect, engage, and trade on the internet, so sitting on the fence for too long is unlikely to be beneficial. Here's what businesses can do right now to get started in the Metaverse. 1. Pilot. Consider the present, the future, and the larger picture. As a business firm, you must decide whether the Metaverse will provide you with possibilities to not just explore different concepts, but also to hasten your vision or the company's sustainability. Consider how much time your targeted audiences spend in the Metaverse and adapt your pace of campaign accordingly. Thus, form an opinion on how your business should appear in the Metaverse and when it would be suitable. 2. Building online presence. Develop a digital presence via existing platforms. The first step is to establish a solid online presence if you don't already have one. Because the Metaverse is an advancement of the internet, many existing rules are applicable, and what better place to start than from existing networks? So before you get started, understand how to build an official site and improve its presence on social media. 3. Set out for gamification. Think about how you can make your brand more gamified. There's no doubt that the Metaverse will be dominated by games in the near future. We've all heard that it's now simpler than ever to build games, even when you're not a professional. Take a look at how companies are utilizing gamification for ideas. For example, to promote the launching of the React sneaker, Nike established its own virtual environment, Reactland. 4. Engaging in cryptocurrency. Virtual money is required in a virtual world. The system that drives virtual currency is known as blockchain technology. It entails logging transactions using decentralized computers, which offers a level of security that will be required if transactions take place in the Metaverse. The growth of this world will have an impact on cryptocurrency mining. Many virtual coins will be built on blockchain technology for security purposes, trying to make cryptocurrency a prominent aspect of the Metaverse. 5. Maintaining the equilibrium. If you've got the grip, be aware that all new areas include risk or rewards. Moderate your expectations accordingly, recognizing that it may be very unreliable and lacking in norms. The best part is that the current pandemic has made us all more adaptable than we've ever been. There will be trials that fail, to say the obvious. Years ago, Second Life promised the hope of the Metaverse, but the risk to the companies who engaged was neither substantial nor lengthy. So if now is the ideal time, think about how you'll get there. The Metaverse will undoubtedly open up chances for businesses of all kinds to reach a larger audience, and it is certainly true that you won't be able to learn everything in one sitting, but just don't reject it as trivial or overly complex. To summarize, if you really want to establish a metaverse business, don't overthink it. Create a captivating concept that can alleviate customers' issues and take a calculated gamble with it. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, slap a like on it and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest business trends and interesting facts. You can also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our mind-blowing videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye!